Hello people of the internet, this is a video for Christmas, Max Tow Truck versus RC car. Okay, who do you think will win? Probably Max Tow Truck. Daddy, moving forward. Okay, we're about to test it now. Yeah, so we're about to do it. So we're about to pull them. Okay, let's start. Ready? This thing is hopeless. Oh no! Oh no! He's hopeless. He can't do it. He can't do it. He's just hopeless. Hopeless. Max Tow Trucks win by a long shot. Max Tow Truck is still trying to go. He wants some more. Round 2. Yes, Max. I'm trying to move all the way back so you can get a good. Yeah. We're about to put the Max Tow Truck towards the kitchen. Okay. Who do you think will win in round 2? Ready to start? Round 2, start! Oops, I forgot something. Daddy, try. Ooh, ooh, oh, he's trying to hold up. Come on, try to drive it. And Max Tow Truck, come on. No, no, he's taking it too far. He's taking it too far. Max Tow Truck took it too far to my presents. Okay, round 3, which might be. Yeah, let's see if we can pull the table. This is. Since Max Tow Truck is the winner. Yeah. Since Max Tow Truck can pull up to 200 pounds, we're going to see about that. Okay. He's about to pull the table. Okay. Max Tow Truck might think he can, but I doubt it. He can pull this table. Okay. Get ready, Max. You're going to try to pull. Max Tow Truck definitely lost. I'm about to take him off. Can we borrow the chair? Okay, I'm gonna give him something a little bit more easier. The chair. Wonder if he's gonna pull this chair. Okay. You think Max Tow Truck is ready? Yes. Okay, let's start. Danny.
You should lay the chair down.
Yeah, let's lay the chair down.
Put it back exactly where you found it. Oh.
Okay. We're about to hook it up to the top of the chair. And the Max Tow Truck is surprisingly heavy for how small it is. Oh, lean it down. We're about to try to test it again, but we're going to leave the chair down. See if this is true or not. We're about to become Mythbusters. Is it true the Max Tow Truck can pull up to 200 pounds? And this chair is definitely lighter than 200 pounds. Okay. We're ready. I have to move the chair a little. Okay. Oh, he's doing it! He's doing it! He's doing it! He's taking it away. It's true! This is no myth! It's true! He pulls the whole chair! And he's about to run over all the boxes, but he pulled the chair! He's the world's strongest tow truck. Toy tow truck. Yep. Okay. Next thing we're about to do. Huh? Yep. I'm gonna try to test it with the broom. Yep. I'm gonna test it with this broom. Yeah. See if it's true the Max Tow Truck can pull up to 200 pounds. It just can't do it when something's standing upright. Here's the extra chair. Okay. Let's try something else. This is gonna be the easiest. I thought you said you wanted it. We're gonna test this, but we're gonna give him the most easiest thing in the history of things. Even a baby can pull it. It's a broom. Broom. Okay. Since the broom is a little smaller than the hook part, we're about to try to hook it through here. It's gonna take some time. Well, I can't get it to the broom, so we're just gonna do it like this. Okay. It's kind of true that the Max Tow Truck can pull up to 200 pounds, because Max Tow Truck had some problems trying to pull the chair. The chair is at least. Let's see if he can pull this broom. Oh no. He's doing it. Okay. That's it for this video. So goodbye, people of the internet. Hope you enjoyed this video.